Hey guys, welcome back to my, sorry, I got a little cold, tried to talk my loudest, so today, hurts my throat to talk loud. Today we're going to be trying out some of the slimes that I made. I'm going to be poking them, doing whatever. So, first, we have this one. So the only problem with this slime is that I left it out in the sun for too long, and it's not stretchy anymore, so look. But it would probably feel really good in a stress ball, like a balloon. And next we have this very promising one, except for the beads are coming out. I didn't make it too sticky, so that's the only problem with this one. Literally the only one. So here's that one. Sorry, my camera skills are bad. I'm a new vlogger. Yeah. So, it won't come off of my hand. So this one's very promising. Let's roll some cinematics. So those are the Ant cinematics that I rolled.